Last time I was here, I was dropping off some baggage. Pick up back all that belong to me. Drop off baggage.
And one lady said to me, last night to come on and I said, oh, where your husband no miss?
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Last time I was here, I was dropping off some baggage. Well, so you must pick up back what belongs to you. You see if you see her now. Supposed to be waiting about 10 to 20 minutes. See, she look like foreigner. Cheers. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. True man.
It's okay, it's light though. Can I bring back nothing for me? She make friend. Maybe she make friend. Sit down with lady.
Yeah, Miss Powell.
I'm in my name. Pick up back all that belong to me. Drop off baggage.
And one lady said to me, last night to come on and I said, oh, where your husband no miss? I say, him same one.
Why?
I'm very hot and I need some AC, please. Thank you. I'm coming from a very hot place.
I left Maniville at 7:30.
You reach out quick though? Will you tell me say
1 hour and a half.
Mm.
Couldn't have your hotel wait.
We got here so quick. We got here like
45 minutes.
Yeah, less than 40 minutes they say it was gonna take.
Dad, you said Mommy will come back today.
I said Mommy will come back today?
Yes.
Bella,
She said she will come back on the following
Who you looking
Saturday.
for?
Huh?
Who are you looking for?
Mommy.
Well, I
You said Mommy will come. Mommy said she will come back on the following Saturday.
You see anybody in the car?
I will come and open the door.
No, stay inside. I'm gonna take out the stuff out of the car.
And then you're going to get Mommy out
Come
of
on,
the
babe.
car. Daddy, and then you're going to take it. Mommy, where are you?
Bella don't want nothing but the ties.
Mommy, I miss you, Mommy. Mommy, where's my Hatchimal?
Yes,
That's what
man.
you wanted for you.
Where's my Hatchimal?
Yes, man.
Mommy, I miss
Bella, get straight to business, yes?
my Hatchimal.
Where's
Yes.
your Hatchimal? Yes, who get your Hatchimal?
Straight to business.
Mommy, I missed you so much.
I miss you. Catholics fam, what's up? Welcome back back to another video right here on Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire. We're fun, inspirational, we're real, and we're educational. So it seems that we get a lot of time to spare when we're driving sometimes.
We are driving.
When we are driving. Yes, I'm driving too, just not physically, but I'm driving. Because I'm looking left, right, up, down too. So I'm driving. So we thought that we would record a video, have a meeting. So we're on our way there. We'd record a video to talk about something that we saw on Instagram. But before we get into it, welcome to all our new subscribers. Welcome to the Complex family.
Tenants in the building.
So happy to have you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing, and to all those who have been on board with us from day 1, 2, 3, 4, all up to now. Thank you so much for being a part of the family. We appreciate you.
2 years strong.
Almost
are
3
we
years.
15K? Checking for 15K now.
Not yet.
You
We're
checked
getting
today?
there. No, I didn't check today.
Yeah, just might book up on it. But yeah, call it 15K subscribers, and I mean, we don't consider that any small feat for 15,000 people to decide to follow us and support us. We are truly, truly grateful for that. I don't know how many of you who are on YouTube yourselves understand the struggle of getting your first 50 subs and your first 100, then 150, then 200, then you start counting by, I guess, hundreds, 3, 4, 5. So it's been a journey, and we are happy. And we know that some of you are silent supporters. You don't even understand what it says to subscribe. But go ahead and subscribe if you want more of our content.
And remember to turn on the notification bell so that you know every time we drop new content. Alright, so we are 13 people away from 15K. So we're excited about that.
Yes. By this video has ended and you've watched it, you're going to tell somebody else, and each of you going to tell somebody else. So we're going to have
hit the
15 for the
15K.
next video.
Alright, looking forward to it. So there is something that we saw on Instagram from the handle Cody Sanchez, and what she says is, every night my husband and I do this one thing, and it's called the team formula, and it may completely change your relationship because it did for ours. That's theirs. So let me read the rest. It says, we were incredibly busy with tanks on E and not enough time for each other, like those of us who are watching or talking about it. We sat to talk with our friend Brandy, and she recommended one daily action. It's called Team, and she says, I can safely say that it has completely changed me and my husband's marriage for the better, and it takes 10 minutes a night. So what you do is you sit down, you grab a glass of wine and do the team check-in, and of course it can be a glass of anything that you want. So the T stands for touch. Hold hands, sit next to each other on the couch. Remind yourselves with touch that you're in this together. Side note, when Chris and I are mad at each other, we jokingly barely touch one fingertip like E.T. So
Wonderful.
even if they're mad at each other, they still practice it, even if it means just touching the fingertip, yeah?
Are you gonna
So
be
let's-
mad? You're gonna be mad at each other.
So let's talk about the T first. Touch. Why? I don't know if I want Brian touching me when I'm mad, but I guess we can try the ET version when we're mad.
Wonder Twins version.
Or the what?
Wonder Twins.
What's that?
It's a cartoon where they usually touch. That's why we call it Khadija and Shelly.
Oh,
So when
okay.
they touch, they form up to be anything else they want to be.
Okay.
This is a biblical principle where you touch.
Not
on
to become
anything.
one.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it for touch. I guess we can try it. E, education. You share one thing you learned that day that was interesting, a fact, a hard truth, whatever. It's a chance of novelty and endorphins when we expand our brains. I think in our own spaces on a daily basis, I think we always come across something. So I guess it would be nice to share, even though we do not formally like this, terms of doing this team method. But it's something that we do. I'm sure that we can find something interesting every day. What do you think?
Because we always sharing stuff on IG.
Right. Anything we come across, we just forward it to each other. Alright, A, appreciation. You share one thing you appreciate about each other. And it could be how beautiful your partner looks that day. And if you're ticked, it could be that they took out the trash. The only rule is points for creativity, and you can't keep using the same ones. You can't keep telling me every day that I look nice going to work.
Because you don't.
I work at home.
You always look nice.
Thanks. You can't say this tomorrow.
No, we don't start it.
Okay. So yeah. So appreciation is for A, and for M,
You look
metrics.
nice. You look nicer. You look the nicest.
Nicest. M for metrics, and here's the tough part. Usually when you're upset, you tell them that moment, and it gets naggy 321 times a day. With check-in, you wait or write down and bring it to this time. So it means that you don't fight when elevated, but you always get to explain your point during these sessions. I don't know about that.
Can you imagine me write down 564 things?
Can you
per
imagine
day?
me write down 3,281.42 things per day?
And carry come at the one little session. I wouldn't go sleep.
When we done. Metrics was huge for us. It meant that a hot-blooded Latina, that's she, wouldn't get emotional, and it meant that Chris, a military hardo, wouldn't get dictatorial. Is that pronounce it? We let cooler heads prevail, and we kind of treasure our check-ins.
Which may take out $500. Greetings, my boss. How you do? Alright. Respect.
And it says a marriage well done is a superpower. I don't know how possible this one would be for me, because it would mean that I'll be bottled up the entire day, and I'll be thinking about this thing I'm upset with.
So is
or
every day
about.
upset with me?
Maybe. No, not really. But if I happen to be upset, I don't know if I can keep it, especially if I'm upset from in the morning. I don't know if I can keep it all the way in the evening. I feel like I'm going to be more upset if I'm holding on to it and bottling it inside from morning till night. But I mean, it's worth a try. So I talk about it at the time and then talk about it again in the night.
You can just make a note of it, and then so later we talk about it, maybe. I think it's gonna be rough for us to do it every day though. I think
Why?
our schedules.
Yeah, but I'm sure we use 10 minutes to do all kind of other things in the night.
When the girls gonna sleep.
And we don't have to wait till the girls gone sleep.
Alright. Can try.
I think we
I
spend
guess
more time doing other things.
the aim can be to try, at least to try for the 10 minutes each day. At least we don't
10
try.
minutes, babe. We can't find 10 minutes.
I never said we can't, babe. I just said we can try. See, this is gonna be one of mine. I said we're going to try. I said, okay, let's do it. And she's still not here, so I said we're gonna do it.
No, but it sounds like, oh gosh, how we gonna find 10 minutes?
I know our reality, so I said let's try it, let's do it.
Well, I'm just saying that we use 10 minutes to all kind of other things.
And I'm
We're not
saying,
even
let's
doing
try.
it.
We're gonna do it. So I
I'm
don't
just
see why
saying,
the
I'm just
resistance is.
saying.
I don't see where the resistance.
It's not a resistance, I'm just saying. You make it sound like it's 1 hour.
Yeah, it's not gonna be 10 minutes. The
Yeah,
aim is
because
10
me I
minutes.
gonna have 3,000 something to complain about
But at
you.
least we know we tried.
Right, you can try. So again,
So it's a team approach.
the team approach, and it stands for touch, education, appreciation, metrics.
And today is early March. It's early March, so we're gonna be starting this early March. And yeah, it reminds me now, thankfully, that I usually do a series on Instagram, March for Marriages, so I can use that to tie in my Instagram. It's beginning Monday, which is tomorrow, Sunday, which is the date.
Tomorrow is March 5th.
Alright, so the 5th of March, and we'll have momentary check-ins with you guys. I think you know how it's going. And tell us if it's something that you think you want to put in your relationships and how you think it will work, it will help or hurt. Anything we can do to help each other is a bit of education to them and real yes.
Alright. So let us know in the comments if you think it's a good idea, if you think that is something you'd want to try, or based on the explanation, do you think that it would be helpful in your relationships?
Or based on the reality, you think 10 minutes will happen every day.
Right. If we can spare 10 minutes. So let us know what you think. Alright. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Appreciate you. Thank you so much for being a part of the Cufflinks family. Remember to follow us on social media if you are on social media. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Yeah, follow us and keep up with us in other spaces. Alright. Thank you so much for being here. Bye.
Before we go, if the aim is, look at the notes. The aim is to actually start and to put the effort. My wife is always talking about being deliberate in our approaches. To deliberately start and to deliberately try instead of just finding the faults that may not happen. Instead of saying 10 minutes won't for me, that's not my reality. My partner's not gonna sit down and at least start. Maybe a minute, maybe 2 minutes. May not get to the whole team, maybe the first night is tea. Yeah? But at least putting in the effort so that you will get to a point where you get some value from the whole thing. So, yeah. Not tried?
Nothing done.
They never hear you. Not tried?
Nothing done.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna try it and we hope that you would find value in it as well. Let us know how it goes, alright? Later, guys.
You wanna touch me?
Oh, never see.
No, you can't trouble anything. It's only for our picture purposes. Look on mommy now. So cufflinks, we were at a particular destination and my wife asked me to pass her bag.
I did not ask you to pass my bag.
She said, and I quote, "Can you please pass me my brush?" And that's the brand name of the bag. So I said, you can't say bag no more. It's not a bag, it's a brush.
Thank you.
Just like slippers. You can't say pass me my slippers when it's a Bridget. Is
pass
that
my
true?
Bridget.
If it's a shoes, it's like
Pass-
Nike, Jordans, whatever. Pass my shoes. It's like
Pass
shoes.
my Jordans. Pass my Bridget. Pass my brusher.
It's the same thing. Pass my iPhone, please. Is it a phone?
No, pass my iPhone. It's not just a phone.
It's all
Can you
brands.
put down my brusher, please?
Sorry,
Thank
ma.
you. My brusher.
Sorry, ma. Can't call it by its normal name no more.
No.
A bag.
So, we finished having dinner, lunch,
Brunch.
whatever it
Lunch.
was.
Liner.
Night catchway.
Liner.
We were there so long.
Yeah, we had a good time.
Yeah, night as always.
And when it came to pay for the bill, you know, God's favor was upon us. We get anniversary champagne,
Yes.
and a very good friend of ours
Just stopped by and
gave us
said,
the bill.
we'll
is on
cover
me.
it for your anniversary.
Yeah, here this one, yeah. Let me order some shrimp and some lobster and some
me
lamb
order something
and some
else.
duck. No, sir.
Yeah,
But
so
we're grateful, and we were remarking on the fact that it has been like that for most of our lives. God's favor.
and most of
you
our
know,
marriage has
yeah.
been like that, where
For most of-
people,
well, I say our lives.
yeah,
I
yeah,
mean,
yeah, right, where
People have
people
just
just
been blessed us.
always say, hey, let me take care of this, let me take care of that. So God is good, and as a result of that, we try our best to pay it forward as
Yeah, we
well.
bless a lot of people.
Yeah, we
in
do
many
our best to
different
do
ways.
that. So we are at Fridays. We're going to have desserts. Yeah, we're extra with enough thanks.
I don't know what she's going to eat. Her belly is full, right?
I'm going to eat something, and if I don't eat it, I'm going
Carry
to
it
take it with me.
Yeah, everywhere we go, we have plastic containers.
I want it for the journey to go back to Mandel. If I don't eat it off all in here, I hope it's something nice. And we haven't bought anything for the girls. Not food, because you know them not eat no food.
I mean,
So we stop at Fontana,
Tomorrow.
our favorite
tell them
place.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow what?
We go to the road.
No, babe. Them want something when we come
We'll be
back
sleeping
from the
tonight.
place.
No, sir. I'll be sleeping tonight. Sure of that.
I will. Okay. All right. So we'll soon come.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.